Okay, guys, I came to the river with a snowy day. I came to fish, but it's impossible. It's very cold. It's very snowy. You guys can see it's a big storm of snow, and the weather is very cold. I don't think anything is trying, but only like few bites, and the river is getting overflowed a little. So I don't think it's a good idea to be on a call for a long time when it's like that. Look, snow all over, and the weather is freezing. All right, guys, thank you. I hope